So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find new construction homes for sale here on Redfin. So once Redfin's opened up, I want you to type in your location. I think a good example in this one would be Scottsdale, Arizona. Lots of new builds there. We'll go ahead and press on that. Now, if you want to make sure that your search is only showing you new developments or new builds, go to the top, press on filters, scroll down all the way to where it says, if I'm not mistaken right here, listing type. Now, by default, agent, owner, foreclosures, new construction, you want to go ahead and make sure that everything is checked off except for new construction right here. Then go to the bottom and press on see homes. Now, what you're going to be seeing right here are new construction homes available for sale. So, very simple, super straightforward. This is how you guys can find new construction homes for sale here on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.